I'm at a motel in Fresno that's being remodeled. It's going to be really nice once it's done. But this place hit the jackpot in terms of bees moving in. There were 4 different hives in this place. I've got 3 of them so far. First one was right here. It was right up there. I actually got them out from the inside. There's another one right up here. We had to open that up and get the bees out. There's still a few bees hanging around cleaning up for us. And then there was another one up here on the roof that has been sealed off. And finally the last one is right here. So that's the one we're going to try to get out today.